Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here with another video tutorial to make your life that much easier. In this video, I will show you a hack I uncovered in getting your wireless Android Auto to work on your 2026 Toyota Rav4. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest I have to offer. If you're an iPhone user, keep scrolling. Apparently you don't have this issue. For all my Android users, this video is for you. By now, you may have noticed that your Android Auto seldomly connects wirelessly to your Rav4. At first, I thought it was because of my aging phone, but after upgrading to the S26 Ultra Plus Max Infinity, or whatever words they add to the end of the phones to squeeze every dollar out of us, the issue still continued. Come to find that the issue is not with Toyota. Google is a culprit. They are working on the issue but have yet to figure out why the Android Auto will not auto-connect to your Rav4 interface. Like many great discoveries, penicillin, the microwave oven, x-rays, and Teflon, I figured this hack/glitch, or whatever you want to call it, by accident. I noticed that when I remote start my Rav4, it seems to fix the issue temporarily. Squirrel! Yes, you can remote start it. The key fob range is not great, but it still works. Press the lock button on your key fob 3 times while holding it down on the 3rd time until your lights flash. Then you can let go. Now before you go and nominate me for the Nobel Peace Prize, this hack/glitch is only temporary. It may work without remote starting it a couple of times before it goes back to not picking it up again. Alternatively, you can always use a cable to activate Android Auto, but who wants to live in the Stone Age? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.